Hello friends, I'm CA Vishal Thakkar. In today's video, we are going to talk about the benefits that you get when you join Diploma in IFRS program with Contetra Universal. At Contetra Universal, we aspire to give more value and even more value for every program that you enroll for. Let's do it one by one. Other institutes, they will have to make you wait till their batch date commences. With Contetra, you can straight up pay the fees and start learning from today or right now. We give you 15 hours of IFRS Acumen video series, which is completely curated for your benefit and helps you revise all the basics which are required for you to gear up with learning higher and more complex IFRS standards. The next benefit that is coming your way is that we give you an IFRS interview prep guide. A step-by-step guide comes towards your way which helps you to prepare for interviews in case if you are looking for job opportunities once you qualify in your diploma in IFRS. Next up, you are going to get a strategic implementation guide to IFRS, which means we are not just preparing you academically to clear IFRS exams, but we are also helping you to implement IFRS in your organization or other places in a step-by-step manner. Well, next you are going to get a physical copies of notes of all the IFRS standards plus a question bank to help you prepare for clearing your exams. The good part is that the physical copy is fairly comprehensive and is divided into two parts where exam critical standards are clubbed together and kept in one book and non-exam critical standards are kept in another book. For our international audiences, they are going to get an e-access to all these notes. Next up friends, you are going to get complete set of video recordings. Now you may wonder that what these recordings are. Many a times you tend to miss a particular lecture because of some other schedule that you may have at that point in time. Even if you have attended that session, the video recording helps you to revise those concepts again and again for preparing at the time of examination. Next up, we have a solution to your financial problems as well. Given that international qualifications are expensive and it is difficult for you to fund all the fees at one go, including the exam fees and tuition fees, we have multiple payment options where we offer you pay by debit card, credit card or any of the wallets where you can later on convert your fees paid into EMI to reduce your financial burden at a point in time. Next up, we have 60 hours of live sessions happening on weekends. We do these sessions 4 times in a year and we record them, which means you can view live sessions, you can view the recordings and even come again for the next batch in case if you feel that you need to attend more. Next up, you are going to get a total 105 hours of coaching in one go. How? 15 hours of IFRS Acumen pre-recorded, 60 hours of live session with subject matter experts having industry experience, and another 30 hours of pre-recorded standards which gives you an understanding from a practical standpoint and are little less relevant from an exam standpoint. Next up, you get access to our WhatsApp group where you along with your fellow participants of the batch can network with each other, can do combined studies, ask questions to each other and we also add your professors to that group for a healthy professional discussion. Next up, from professional networking to job opportunities. Yes, Contetra is the only company which is a learning partner of ACCA in India that assists you in getting the right kind of job after diploma in IFRS. We don't guarantee that you will get a job, but our assistance will definitely help you to get a job faster. Next up, we are going to give you templates for implementing critical standards. When you have a consultant implementing standards in your company, they come up with templates. We are going to share similar kind of templates which will help you to practically implement IFRS standards. Also, we will provide you with monthly closure checklists so that once you start working on IFRS after you qualify, you have those checklists handy and you can use them month on month for ensuring compliance. Our subject matter experts also customize your learning by making you fill a data sheet which contains information about you, your company, and the sector in which it operates. Which means that once you fill in and send it back to us, we will be able to help you in customizing your learning for your industry and the challenges that you are facing in your company. Next up, what is an exam if you haven't practiced it mock before you go for the actual one? We at Contetra facilitate an online CBE mock examination before you actually appear for one for diploma in IFRS. Also, we provide with doubt solving sessions with all our professors, and we also bring in alumni who share their secrets and tips about how you can crack your DIP-IFR exams at Contetra. Our learning that happens online is done in many techniques. We use role plays, we do case study based discussions, and we provide industry insights by our subject matter experts to make learning a fun and an interesting experience. Above all, Contetra Universal is a registered learning partner with ACCA UK. How does that help you? It helps you in getting more and more discounts in tuition fees and examination fees. Also, it shows that we follow a pattern prescribed by ACCA UK and we do not deviate or lower the quality standards of imparting education, making sure that you are getting employment, and using the knowledge in practical real world circumstances.